All right, so real world live example here, working from home. I got a 4-year-old jumping around in the background, so probably a situation that most small business owners are used to. But I'm going to try something here in the software that I haven't tried yet before. So in the previous video, I had uploaded a picture of two of my kids in the cookie shop, but I didn't like the way that my son here was rubbing himself all over this pole. So I wanted to remove it. So with the simple prompt, remove the child from the background, we were able to get rid of that. Now, what that left was the issue here with the words behind him. AI just came in and filled it in for what it thought it would be, but it's not a real word. So it looks kind of odd. So I want to see if I can change that. And the way that you do that is you need to replace your original image with this new image that it created. So this little prompt down here, use output, you click that. Did it click? Hold on. All right. Yep. It used it. All right, cool. So now you can see that the new image is now the base image. So now I should be able to make edits to this. So let's see if we can speak AI here and say, change the words on the back white wall from self or however the hell you pronounce that, to self order. All right, let's see what that does. So Control Enter, or just click Run down here in the button, or Command Enter if you're on a Mac, I guess. Self order. Damn, look at that. So now that little mix-up was there, and it is now fixed, so it looks real and doesn't look like an AI-generated word jumble. All right, I like it. So that's one more thing it can do. All right. So just wanted to show you one thing. So after I finished that section, I wanted to play around with it to add an employee. And I added an employee here, but I wanted it to be standing on the other side of the counter. It kind of was confused at what I wanted, and it put a guy like literally through the counter somehow magically. And then it finally put her like in front of the counter here. I think it's because the AI couldn't tell that there was an actual gap back here for a person to fit into. So I'm guessing that's it. But if you want to go back to look at any of your prompts and where they are, you can just go in this request tab and it will show you all those different iterations you had. So I want to go back to the first one that we changed here, this one. So just click on Playground and it'll bring you right back into where you can do the prompt. And this is the one where we simply just changed the word jumble there into an actual word. Now I'm going to try something here new. And I've never done this before, but to make a video, you can apparently do it from the software. So I'm going to try it right now. So we're going to click on Make Video. And which one is it? Clean? I think it's clean here. So Val AI Clean Videos. I think this is the one that we're going to use. And then let's just say have the child smiling and walking to the camera. All right, no idea. So again, you can click Run or Control Enter, whatever you want, and it'll do it. Let's see what happens. All right, so by the way, just note that the videos look like that they're charging 35 cents for every additional second. I'll be charged 7 cents. All right. Oh, wow. So So Liam, hold on, son. Hold on. You gotta wait a minute. So smiling and walking, and he's walking into a room. This is funny. So this room doesn't exist. There's a wall right here. Uh, and AI is literally making the store bigger than it is, which is funny as hell. But yeah, that's really good. I gotta say that's not bad. What is that, 35 cents to walk through an imaginary wall? All right. And obviously you can do whatever you want with this, be creative. This was just very generic as the first time, but I mean, I like it. I'm going to test the limits of it, obviously, but yeah, check it out, guys. Really cool. All right. Stay profitable. We'll catch you on the next one.